Right, this is the dashboard of the Solar Lab. It will open like this, and you can see up there in the page there is a small alarm from which you will get notifications if there is any notifications on the system. And if we go down a little bit, there is filtration. Last 7 days, last 30 days, and last year. You can filter any period that you would like to see. Then according to this filter, these two numbers will change with you: the total paid revenue and then the total orders that you received from the system. The total paid revenue is the amount that you should receive within the period that you filtered, and the total orders is the orders that you received also in the time frame that you filtered from here. The total PSKO is the total items that you have in your partner catalog, in your own catalog as a seller. If we go to, also there is the performance according to the always in stock and ships on time. This performance will be shown to the customers on the dashboard on the platform as well. There is a customer rating as well. You can see it. And if we go down, there is the barcode of the products updated with the barcode. They will give you the total items that you have, and out of which how many items you have updated the barcode on the system. You can see from this bar how many items, and from the percentage you can see the total items. It should be 100%. There is no way to send your items to non-warehouse without a barcode. They will reject the items that do not have barcode as unidentified items. So it's important to update the barcode on your items on the item itself and also on the system, on the Solar Lab. If we go down, also there is the total orders. The total orders I received, and also they will give you the total orders according to the time frame that you filtered, in which days of the month you have got higher orders or lower orders like this. From the Help Center, we can see how to update the barcode. Click on Help Center page. Here you can write barcode on the search bar. Click on barcode requirements. Once you click in the barcode requirements, you can see this page talking about the barcode process. So having barcodes in your products is mandatory and crucial for a seamless fulfillment cycle when you are selling your products as fulfilled by known or Crossdock, which is B2B. Each unit sent to known should have a barcode so you can achieve the following: accurate order fulfillment, precise item tracking throughout the fulfillment process, preventing your products from failing the quality check. So you can see the process, which barcodes can you use. You can use letters or numbers or the combination of both, and make sure there is no samples and there is no spaces between the barcode that you will use. We recommend, there are many websites you can recommend or you can generate a barcode from, but we recommend this link for you as a free. Some websites will charge you for that, so this website will be with no charge. What you need to have a barcode printer, and we recommend Zebra as a brand, and you have to download QZ Try app if you would like to print from the Solar Lab. After that, you can follow the process and update the barcode for your items whether item per item or items as a bulk from the Excel sheet. You can follow the pictures with the steps after you download the QZ try, and you can print the barcode on your items. So this file, we explain the process of the barcode in the barcode training. The partner catalog is your own catalog as a seller. At first it will be empty, there is no items, but once you have mapped items to this partner catalog, you can see all the items that you have mapped. Known catalog is all the items that is selling right now at known platform. Regardless who's selling these items, you will find all the items that is selling right now in known platform in known catalog. So we have two steps to add a new item. The first step, you have to look for the item in known catalog. Let's try the first step together, then we'll explain the second step. Go to the search bar and then search for the item that you would like to add to your own catalog. Let's say I would like to add iPhone. And the more you specify in the details of the item, the accurate result that you will get. So let's see iPhone XS 64 GBs black. Let's see, this is my iPhone, or the item that I would like to add. Click on it and you can match the color, the specifications, all the details of the item. If it's matching, you can add it to your own catalog. So you will map it by writing your partner catalog, partner SKU, which is the unique number that you will identify the item with. You can see here the SKU for known. And if you ask what is the SKU is a unique number or the unique code that you will generate for your item once you add it to your own catalog or the partner catalog. Let's see, this is my SKU for this item. Once I click create, it will be added or mapped to the partner catalog. Also, you can copy the same SKU as known's SKU and write it here if you would like to. And then once you click create, you can find the item in the partner catalog. So the item at first will be like this. It will be inactive. Then you can see the SKU that you added for this item and known's SKU if you chose a different SKU from known's SKU. Here you will update the price for the item. And then you will write the sale price if you have any sale price. Let's say this item with 30 riyal and 58 halala, and I would like to add as a sale price 29. Once you click 29 or put any sale price, the system will give you the sale range, which is when the sale will start and when it's gonna end. You have to specify the period of the sale. You cannot put it as open sale. So let's say it will start from today until 15th of November. So automatically on the system, it will show this is the main price, and then this is the sale price. Once the sale price or the date of the sale will end, it will get back to the main price automatically as what you added in the price. If we go down, there is the warehouse. if you are working as a B2B, if you're from your own warehouse as a seller, you will add the quantity that you would like to, or the quantity that you have from from your own catalog. Let's say I have 30. And the processing time, which is how many days do you need to deliver these items once you receive orders on the system. Let's say 2 days or 3 days. Choose it here. So we have two models, business models, in order to sell with Noon. So the first one is the FBN, which is fulfilled by Noon, and the second one is B2B, or the back-to-back, which is from your own warehouse. The first model, you will keep the items in Noon warehouse. So you will inbound the stock to Noon warehouse, and there will be a faster delivery commitment because your items is already there in Noon warehouse. There will be a trusted Noon Express badge on the items on the platform, and yes, sorry, there will be a 60% higher conversion rate because your items will be shown at first on the page on the platform if they are with Noon Express badge, and there will be exclusive access to run Noon daily deals. The order cycle for the FBN, order placed by customers and the stock are available with Noon. Noon will pick the item from the stock and unpack the item, and then they will ship the item and deliver it to the customers. So for the FBN, you will inbound the items to Noon warehouse, and they will sort it on the warehouse. Once they receive orders, they will deliver it to the customers. But for the B2B or the Crossdock, you will keep the items in your own warehouse. Once you receive orders on the system, you will prepare these orders and hand over or drop off the products to the warehouse. No need to keep the stock with Noon, and then you will update the processing time according to the stock availability that you have in your warehouse. The order cycle for the B2B, you will be notified via email for the orders that you received, and then you will prepare the product and then pick up by Noon delivery agent, or you will deliver it directly to the customer, to the warehouse. There will be a quality check. The quality check process will run over the items, and then the product will be packed and packaging in Noon packaging, then we'll deliver it to the customers across the country. The payment, there will be a weekly payment process via bank transfer every Tuesday, whether you are working as a FBN or B2B. Every Tuesday of the week, they will transfer the payments for the orders they received of the week. Let's go back to the Seller Lab. So now we understand that when we add the item, it will be an activate. Then you will put the price, the sale price if you have, with the sale range, which is the date of the sale. And then in the warehouses, if you are working as a B2B or a Crossdock, you will update the stock that you have and the processing time. If you are working as a FBN or planning to work as a FBN from Noon warehouse, no need to update information in this box. Then go down and update the barcode that you have for this item. As what we said, there is no way to send the item to the warehouse without a barcode. Otherwise, it will be rejected and get back to you as an identified item. So if you do have a barcode on the item already from the manufacturer, just write it on the Seller Lab as what it is labeled on the item. And if there is no barcode, in this case, you will have to generate a new barcode. And once you click Add Barcode, it will be shown like this. Then go to the warranty process. In the warranty if you have, as a seller, you have to be aware of the warranty rules in the just give me a second. So according to the Ministry of Commerce and Investments, you have to be aware of the warranty for the items or the category of the items. If the warranty of the Ministry and Commerce said that you have to put 2 years for a specific category of the item, so you have to update it on the system. And also, let's give you an example of the warranty process. For the warranty process, if the customer came to known, let's say they bought the Ministry of Investments and Commerce in Saudi Arabia forced the sellers to put 2 years warranty for the electronic items. So let's say the customer bought an iPhone and get back for the warranty claim to known. We'll take the item from the customer and then we'll give it to you as a seller. Once we give it to you, you have 14 days. Within this 14 days, you have to whether fix it and bring a technical report for the issues that are inside it, even if there is a misuse from the customer. And then the other option is renew the item or give him a new item from that item that he gave you at first. So within 14 days, whether you have to replace the item and give him a new one, or fix it and give a technical report for this item. After 14 days, if you haven't give one of these options, known will apply. They will refund the customer with the amount, and they will apply it on you as a seller. So you have to be aware of the warranty for all the category of the items. If we go down here, you can add the offer note for the item, any offer note that you would like as a marketing note for the customers to see the information for the item. You can write it on the offer note. Once you added the price, the sale price if you have any, and when it's going to start, when it's going to end, updated the stock if you are working as a B2B, and then added the barcode, the warranty, and the offer note, you can activate the item. And once you click Save Change, it will take you to this page. Step, you will look for the item from known catalog. If you find the item, then you will map it to your own catalog by writing your SKU. We looked for iPhone. And then we map it with the SKU, which is your own SKU as a seller. Once you click Create, it will take you to the item in the partner catalog, and you have to update the price, then update the stock if you have any stock, if you are working as a B2B. And then you can see the SKU for known. After you updated all the information, you can see the action for this. You can see if it's active, if it's not active, by clicking on the item itself like this. And go to the health of the item. If there is any issues on the item, the price, missing information, it will show you here, so you can edit or add the missing information for the item, then it will be activated again. Now you can see here it's active, so there is no issues on this item. Let's take another example and see. So if the item status is inactive or not live, you can see the health of the item, and they will give you all the points that is making the item to be not live on the system. Once you fix it, whatever is the reason, it will be activated again. So what if I looked for the item in known catalog and I didn't find the item in known catalog? In this case, you will go to the second step of adding a new item. You will go to catalog, imports, and then import new. Select the main type NIS, which is a new item sheet, where you will add a new item that is not available in known catalog. And then in the subtype NIS create. Once you click NIS create, they will give you customization to select the product family, the product type, and then the subtype. Let's say I will add mobile phones or mobiles, and then I will customize in the product type, the subtype as well, smartphones. Download the Excel sheet. According to the customization, they will give you the information in the Excel sheet, and then you will add the information that you have for this item you would like to add in your own catalog. Alright, to make it easier for you to understand the file, we'll explain the row number 5, number 6, and number 7 and 8. Row number 5 telling you that the requirements or the information that you write here, is it mandatory or optional? So if it's in a green color and with mandatory, you have to write information here. You cannot leave it empty. And if it's orange or optional, you can write anything or keep it empty without any issue. But the file will not accept to upload in the system if it's empty. So make sure you write information in the mandatory fields. The row number 6 will tell you what is the requirements that you write here. Is it numbers? Is it free text? Is it drop down? Drop down means they will give you a list from which you will choose according to the item that you have. So in the row number 7 as well, they will give you an example of each requirements. For example, here in row number 6, that's 8, they are asking for the GTIN. If you do not know what is the GTIN, you can see the example on number 7. If it's numbers or letters, whatever the requirements, you can see it on the example on number 7. Also, if you would like to know what is the GTIN exactly, you can go to the corner here. You can see the red color. The GTIN is the global trade item number or the barcode. So it's the international barcode or the barcode that you have for this item. So you write the barcode that you have for this item here. The partner SKU unique, which is your own SKU as a seller. As what we said, you can write any code that you will identify the item with. And here is the brand of the item. If it's Sony, Samsung, iPhone, whatever is the company of the item. And the product title as well, you will add the product title, the model number, the model name. For the color of the item, if you have more than one color, let's say here I have a black color of this iPhone, but I have gold and silver and many colors of the same item. In this case, you will add each color as a new item with different barcode and different SKU. And in each item that you added, you will specify the color that you have and add it in the same Excel sheet and upload it on the system. Let's go through the file and update the information that we have. As what we said, if it's in a green, you have to write an information. You cannot leave it empty. And the orange shields are optional until we reach the pictures of the item. Before we go to the pictures, you can see the features. They are asking for the features of the item. If you do not know what to write, just go to the example on row number 7 and see what is the features that you would write for these items. For the image or the photos of the item, sometimes they ask for 1 pictures, sometimes they are asking for 2. Here they are asking for 3 pictures of the item. You have to add the picture as a link, and the link should be a direct link. You can write on the internet, convert a photo to a link, and then put the link, the direct link here on the picture. You can use any method that you would like to use to convert the photo that you have of the item to a link, and then make sure it's a direct link, means there is no username or password for this item. And also we'll send you after the training, inshallah, the requirements, the photo requirements, the measurement as well, so you can take a look at it. Once you added all the information for the item, save the file, go back to the Seller Lab, catalog, imports, and then import new, select the main type NIS and the subtype, click NIS create, click next, and then upload the file that you saved for the item that you fill out all the information. Once you click submit, this item will be the process for the Excel sheet for the item will be they will check all the information that you added, and also they will translate the English details regarding the item to Arabic, and once they add it, they will send you via email that the item that you added in the Excel sheet have been added to known catalog with this SKU. You can go back and find it in known catalog, then you will map it to your own catalog as a seller, and then you will update the price, update the stock for this item. So we have talked about the 2 methods that we have to add a new item. The first step, you will go to known catalog, look for the item. If you find it, you will map it with your own catalog. If you didn't find it, you will upload an Excel sheet, the NIS sheet, which is a new item sheet. From the imports, import new, the main type, select NIS, the subtype NIS create, and then specify or customize according to the product family and the type, subtype. Download the Excel sheet, fill out the information, and then go back and upload it on the system. It will be added to the known catalog, and then you will map it with your price and your information. So let's say that we have updated or added the items that we have. If you have or you want to update the price or update the stock for these items, you can go for the item. For the price, you can go for the item per item. If you would like to, click on the item, go to the price and update the price that you have and the sale price if you have any. Once you click save changes, it will update it with you. This is for the item per item. So what if I have many items that I would like to update the price for? In this case, you will go to the catalog, imports new, then select the main type price, the subtype, choose price update. Then you will customize according to the items that you have. The live item, not live, or unmapped, you can go to live items and then choose known here, then download the Excel sheet for updating the items prices as a bulk. let's wait for the file to be downloaded, and then we'll explain it.